Hello, good evening, all of you. In the last class, we have seen algebraic expression, like what kind of algebraic expression we can say this is a polynomial, and also we saw the rule that algebraic expression have to satisfy it so that we can say that the given algebraic expression is a polynomial. And in the last class, also I gave you some questions as a homework. So I hope you already have solved it. And if you have any doubt in that questions, please ask. And if you don't have any doubt, then we will move to the our new topic. Okay. So the first question as a doubt here we have. So like here we have x square plus 2x plus 1 divided by x square plus 1. So what you have to do first? First, you have to find degree of on x in each term. So here your degree is equal to 2 and here your degree is equal to 1. But if you will see the third term, so in third term you have the algebraic expression in denominator size. So this is the denominator. So this is not a algebraic expression. So I would like to summarize that rule like your degree should be like a 0 to infinity integer. Degree should be in non-negative integer. And the third rule was non-fractional value. And third rule was algebraic expression should not be in a denominator side. So algebraic in denominator side. Should not be in a denominator, that is enough. So what we do? So I hope up to this point is clear to all of you. And what will I do now? So now onwards, I will take in new topics. So now we will study the classification of polynomial. So we are going to classify the polynomial. So the topic will be like a classification. So the classification of polynomial can be done based on the degree of the polynomial, and already we know the degree of the polynomial, and how can we write? Already we have studied. So first, what we have to do? First, we have to identify the maximum degree in the given polynomial, and based on that, we have to do the categorization of the polynomial. So, so based on the polynomial, we can categorize polynomial as a linear polynomial, linear polynomial. Hmm. So here you can see that the term coming is linear and polynomial is just a polynomial. So linear like a stand or like a one. So the meaning come like a one. Linear means like a meaning come like a one. So if you have the degree is equal to one, like a maximum degree is equal to one in the given polynomial, then such kind of the polynomial is called a linear polynomial. So for example here, so here I have the example. So this is the x plus 2. So here if you will get the degree, so here you have degree equal to 1 and here 0. So the maximum degree here, so what you have to do? First you have to add the degree. So degree is 1, 0. So then you have to find the maximum degree. Then maximum degree here is equal to 1. So if maximum degree is equal to 1, then such kind of the polynomial is called a linear polynomial. So this is called a linear polynomial. Now we have the quadratic polynomial. So this is the second kind of the polynomial. So this is the so this is the quadratic polynomial. So the here the term coming that is quadratic. So quadratic is usually stand for like two. So if quadratic term coming in mathematics, feel like this is kind of the two. So quadratic equation, quadratic polynomial means, so if you are getting this kind of one, then like feel like the value of quadratic is going to 2. So quadratic polynomial here. So this is a kind of a polynomial in which you have the degree is equal to 2. So here like a degree equal to 2, like a maximum degree. I'm talking about the max degree. Like in one polynomial, you have the many term and each term you have some degree. So I'm talking about maximum degree. So for example, here I have this is the second question. So like you have 3x is equal to x square 2x plus 3. So what you have to do? You have to first find the degree. So here you have 1 and here 0. So first you have to make the list of the degree. Then here you have list like a 2, 1 and 0. Now what you have to do? You have to find the maximum degree. Max. So here you can see maximum degree is equal to 2. So if if maximum degree is equal to, then such kind of polynomial is called a quadratic polynomial. Now we have the other kind of polynomial that is cubic polynomial. So here the term coming cubic. So cubic term is usually stand for like a three. So when you are getting this kind of word in mathematics, like cube, it means three dimension. You can say cuboid like three. So cubic means three. You can say. So hopefully we can relate with the other two polynomial. So if we have the maximum degree, maximum degree is equal to 3, then such kind of polynomial is called a cubic polynomial. For example, here, if you have polynomial px is equal to x cube 2x square plus x plus 1. So what you have to do first? First, you have to add all degree in each term. So here you have 3, you have 2, here you have 1, and here 0. So you have to make the list of the degree. So here you have degree is equal to like 3, 2, 1, and 0. And next step is you have to find the maximum degree. So here maximum degree here in this one is 3. So if maximum degree is equal to 3, then such kind of polynomial is called a cubic polynomial. Now the other kind of polynomial we have that is a biquadratic polynomial. So this is a biquadratic. So here the term coming that is biquadratic. So bi and quadratic. So bi is a stand for usually like two, and quadratic also is like a two. So here you can see that two into two. So this whole stand for like a four. So the biquadratic polynomial is a such kind of the polynomial which have degree four is called a biquadratic polynomial. So a polynomial of degree 4 is called a biquadratic polynomial. For example, if we have polynomial like a px is equal to x power 4 plus 2x square plus 1. So what we have to do? We have to find the degree. So here we have 4, here 2, and here 0. So we have to make the list of degree. So here you have 4, 2, and 0. So here you can see 3 is not present. That is not the problem. 1 is also not present. That is not the problem. So whatever degree is present, you have to make the list. And once you make the list, then you have to find the maximum degree. So maximum degree or maximum power. So here maximum degree is equal to 4. So if we have the maximum degree is equal to 4, then such kind of polynomial is called a biquadratic polynomial. So I hope up to this point is clear to all of you. And if you have any doubt, please ask your questions, and I will try to clarify and resolve your doubt. Once we will resolve, then we will move forward. Okay, if you don't have any doubt, so what I will do, I will take some questions. So once we will make the practice, then our concept will be more clear. So here I have some questions. So this is the first question. So the question number one here I have polynomial px is equal to. So what you have to do, you have to categorize the polynomial like the this is the what kind of polynomial, like a linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, yeah, by quadratic polynomial. So here you have first question like a x cube plus 2x plus 3. Second question px is equal to x power 4 plus 4x plus 5, and third question px is equal to x plus 2 and q4 is equal to px is equal to x plus 2x square plus 3. What you have to do, you have to write the name of the polynomial, like the type of the polynomial. So here you can see in the question number one, you have degree 3 here, 1 here, and 0 here. So you have maximum degree is 3. So this is a cubic polynomial. In the second question here you can see we have degree 4 here, 1 here, and 0 here. So maximum degree is 4. So this is a biquadratic polynomial. Now in third question, here we have degree is 1 and here 0. So here maximum degree is equal to 1. So if we have maximum degree is 1, then this is called a linear polynomial. And the last question is, so here degree is equal to 1 and here we have 2 and this we have 0. So maximum degree here 2. So maximum power on the x we have 1, 2. So if maximum power is equal to 2, then this is called a quadratic polynomial. So I hope up to this point is clear to all of you. And if you have any problem, please ask your doubt. And also, like if you are not able to ask any question here, please visit our website, like as you are doing. So please go to the website and question intersection and for your respective class, like class 10. So there you write your questions. We will try to resolve. So please go question answer sections in class 10 and ask your doubt there. And we will try to resolve at that time itself. So I hope so. This is enough for the today. And once we will meet in the next class, then we will see further new topics. So thank you all of you for joining the class. And I request all of you when you are finding the time, please try to solve some questions. So like as much you will solve the questions, that will make your concept much clear. So that will be the very useful for you. So thank you all of you. Have a nice day.